Hello, everyone. My name is Dimitris, and today I will try to give you a bit of background information about myself. So, as my name suggests, Dimitris is a Greek name, Greek originated, and I'm coming from a small tiny island called Paros. Don't get confused, it's not Paris, it's Paros, it's with O as in Oscar. So, this island is actually located within Cyclades, is south of Greece, and it has got a permanent population of nearly 13.5k, or equivalent of 13.5 thousand citizens. So, as you may have noticed, coming from a small tiny island, and now being here in UK, which is absolutely superb, which is actually amazing, it's great. However, um, the whole purpose of me giving this small tiny podcast or this small tiny recording is all about trying to encourage, trying to promote, and try basically to reach out there. Because what's happening, we live nowadays within a world that is actually bombarding us, and we're feeling so much overwhelmed with so much stress and so many liabilities, so many tasks that it doesn't really give you this element of thinking, being creative. So one of the many quotes that really strikes me in a way is the one from Saint Jerome's, which was born in 347 AD in Stridon, which used to be a city of the old Roman province. And he says, I really like this quote because it really rhymes in a way, which says, "Good, better, best, never let it rest, till your good is better and your better is best." So the reason why I really like it is because it's rhyming, and that's actually superb, and I actually find it very fascinating. However, to be frank with you, one of the best things about my childhood and me now growing as an adult is the fact that I really like Walt Disney movies. In fact, one of my favorite movies was Beauty and the Beast, which I found it very captivating. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Me being a child and me being a young person who always likes, I guess, the cartoons. However, one of the many beautiful quotes that I really liked about Walt Disney is when he said, "First, think. Second, dream. Third, believe. And finally, dare." So if you can actually envisage yourself in a position that you can actually exceed, or you actually vision yourself, you manage to execute your goals, then don't hesitate. Because the more you doubt, the more you'll start thinking, am I good enough? Yes, you are. Yes, you're actually better than that. And finally, to be able to close this one tiny podcast, something that I would like all of you to be able to listen is one of the quotes of Eric Thomas. When you want to succeed as bad as you breathe, because remember, without oxygen, we won't be able to survive. I mean, according to the Royal Guinness, I don't think that there's anyone who can actually survive without breathing any oxygen for more than 10 minutes. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. So, once again, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you will be successful. I think that's the small tiny message which I'd like to convey for tonight, or actually for this evening. So, everyone, all I'm going to say is have a pleasant evening, enjoy the rest of your day, and remember, never be in doubt. You have a goal, you have a mission. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. So, all I'm going to say, keep up the hard work. Because remember, by the end of the day, you don't need to have superpowers to be a superhero, because you already have them. Thank you and good night.